Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to continue making this space a better work environment. So hopefully we can seal this capping here, and I'm going to put up some lights as well. I won't wire them in, but I'll put them where I want them, and hopefully we can get some sanding done on the Skyline's front bumper, ready for some primer. But over the weekend, so next episode, I do want to get the SG XT Forester in here, and I want to give it a full paint correction because it's got lots of swirls on it. Anyways guys, let's go get the ladder and start fixing up this place. Alright guys, got the ladder, got the lights down here. Been sitting up the top for quite some time. We'll just get them out and I'll just start mounting them up here, and probably put some on the side as well, and then I can measure up the length that I need for the cables, and we need some junction boxes too. But let's start putting them up, see what it looks like. So these are the lights that I'm putting up. 6500 brightness, white, as you can tell, a bit different to that one, and yeah, 185 to 265 volt. As a size, 40,000 hours. I think I've left these on a few days at a time. But anyway, I'm going to put a link down in the comments to these if you are after some, and hopefully they can work out for you. Also put some other links down there of other things that I use in this episode. So yeah, they are an affiliate link, so if you do happen to go and purchase something, I will get a small cut from that purchase, and I'd really appreciate it if you did. That'd be awesome. Anyways, let's put them up. Alright, so that's the other light that I've got. I've just got the light off so I can show you how I hook it up. That was the one that I just replaced. So you got a little junction box there, and then the black wire is what is on here. You can see, got your 3 wires. So yeah, I'll just have them hanging out, and we'll get some junction boxes and go from there. Get some more cabling, get some clips to keep it all neat. We put one up here as well. Yeah, it's going to make it look a lot brighter. So they are very easy to put up, guys. There's 2 little clips that they clip in to there, so you pretty much just grab them and be able to pop them out. So you just got that one mounting hole pretty much. Get 2 screws and plug if you're going into plaster or whatnot. Yeah, pretty easy. Just got to make sure that you don't have them further apart than that. Simples. Just letting you know, guys, not an electrician, so I'm not actually wiring these up, okay? I'm just putting them up where I want all of the lights, okay? I'll get the supplies and everything, but I'm not hooking them up. Alright guys, got one on each side there, so we can see the back of the car now. So it used to be quite dark, even with the Skyline not being a big wagon, SUV, whatever it is. So yeah, we'll move along to these 3 up here. So what I've been thinking is we'll have these 3 beams all on one switch, and then we'll move this one to the side ones, so we can have the side ones on different ones when we don't need them on, so it's not crazy bright all the time. We'll just have 9 lights on and not a lot more. Anyways, back to it. They're pretty easy to put up. Alright guys, I've got all the ones up on the roof that I want up there. I was thinking of moving this one, But I'll probably leave it there because these ones are actually on the other side of this little beam here. So we'll probably we'll make a shadow. So this one should be okay. We got these two. I'm not going to put one in the middle. It kind of doesn't really matter because these should put out enough light. And then I've got these two up here. And I'll probably end up moving that one to along here. So we have a bit more light when I'm here because it's very dark like when I'm welding and stuff. So I think I need a light in front of me because I normally have my Ryobi one sitting over this way shining onto the piece. While I was up here doing this one, I was thinking maybe I'll move the fridge over to here and probably the parts washer sink because I do struggle with light and everything there, and the car is pretty close, like working on a wheel or something. I really struggle, so I need to get this fridge out of the way or even get rid of it, maybe take it to work because our one is playing up in my little office that I got there. But we need to clean up this stuff this weekend as well. We'll get rid of the K24. Right now I'm going to do a little bit more sanding. Actually, I got to put up the other lights. I'll put up one here and one there. Not sure about this side yet. We'll wait until that's done. But for over the weekend, if we do get these lights going, probably just take the car out, turn around, bring it back in, or I'll just have that and move that around. Not painting, just detailing, so that should be okay. Anyways, I'll mount two more. I've got 3 left. Yeah, like I said, I'll move that one to that side, so got light up that end, have light on the side here. We've got one left. Maybe I'll just make a portable one or mount it up in here. I normally hang up that in there, but if I put that up and just put it on a plug, that should be good. Alright guys, got all the lights up. I'm just going to do a quick sand on the bumper, and then I've got to head in and edit this video for you guys. Right, let's do it. Alrighty guys, the GoPro just went flat, so I just ended up sanding that all back. So it's ready for a first coat of high build primer, and then we'll go from there. That'll be in the next episode or 2. So guys, that was a short one. Got a little bit done to the garage. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're curious on how this is going to look, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode when we detail the black Forester. Thanks for watching. Bye.